Let's try it, Purple. Go.
Dun, dun, dun. God, it seems like it's right again, don't it?
It is right again. You bring it out a little bit more.
What are they doing to you, Hunter Bonner?
Alright, you ready to eat? Oh, we gotta put your thing on you. Little man.
Here, can you?
Little man. Why don't you sit over here, Daddy? So
Well, I want to so I can see him, but I've got this.
Alright, little britches.
Hey, don't yell me.
Ready? You slinking? Hold on. You sliding. Bubba. There.
Mama,
you always tend to turn the,
your butt's in the way.
Dude, are you recording?
I'm gonna edit it.
Alright, here we go.
What you doing, little man?
Chicken, woo-hoo! Here. One bite.
Man, I can't hold this thing steady.
Am I not doing it right?
Little big ones.
I don't think I was getting any.
He is.
Here, sit up. You're falling. That good? Something different, isn't it? Is it good? Need more? It still looks like you're sliding, Bubba. Here,
What
where's
you-
that covering off?
What you doing, my man?
Wrist? That thing
Hunty.
going off.
Hunter.
Yummy. Here, let's put this beside it because you tend to slide to the left for some reason. Now you're sliding to the right. Well, let's put it this way a little bit. You want more?
What you doing, Hunty?
More? Is that enough? Or is it too much?
No.
Ooh, that stuff tastes like crap.
Looks like pig. Yeah, no wonder. Look at him. He's looking at you like, why are you feeding me this?
Does it taste bad? Does it taste bad? Sweet. You want a drink?
Well, yeah,
Now, wait,
wouldn't.
you're confusing. Do I suck or do I chew? Which one? Get your drink. Want some more? Chicken. Woo, woo. You want some more? Get your little bite. Little bite right there. There you go. Drooling. You want some more? Oh, drooling. You want some more? Ooh, that was a big swallow. Good thing the doctor only said to give you a tablespoon. This will take all night. Is it weird? Want some more? Nummy. I'm tired of bite. Chew it. I'm nummy. Nummy. Is that good?
Hmm.
That good? Nummy. Get a little bit in your mouth. Nummy. Go eat some?
Hmm.
You want some? A little bit more?
So you ate it all?
No. We're taking baby bites, are we? I got a little bit more on that one. No. Yum. Swallow. Swallow. Need some more? Nummy. Kind of good. Should I go a little bit more or just like that, maybe? Go bite. Nummy. You gonna eat it? You gonna eat it? Chew it. Here. Is it funny? It's like, what's on my tongue? No, no, no. Nummy, 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 nummy. Don't spit it out. That's good. I'm about to stick his hand in it, see what he does. Here. Here, get your little bite. Here. Up. Nummy, nummy, nummy. Is that good? Oh, is that good? Am I going too fast, too slow? What do you think?
Fine.
Woody, that good, ain't it? Ooh, Daddy, is that good? Is that good? Here we go. Ready? Jigga, 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 jigga. Woo, woo. Jigga, 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 jigga. You're drooling. You're drooling. Daddy, you want to try it?
Mm-hmm.
I can't hold left. Don't worry, I'm not going to run out anytime soon. I mean, he's just getting... I don't know how much is too much or not enough. I don't know.
Hunty. Hunter Bunner.
More.
I think I can get the hang of it now.
That's good stuff, ain't it?
You ready to trade?
Formula. Oh, see if I can. Honey, you look like somebody don't know what they're doing. Goodness. I think you got more in your chin you do in your mouth.
All right.
You eat like your daddy. You eat like your daddy. Here. Alright. Did I give you too much?
Might need a drink.
Here, you want sweet? Give us sweet. Chuck it down, Bubba. Alright. Alright, Daddy. Just a little bit at a time.